This mountain goat is a high-altitude killer. He doesn't headbutt, he stabs with 12-inch stiletto horns and fights at the mountain's edge. This mountain lion is too hungry to care. With the right approach, she could kill him with a single bite. But she attacks head-on, ruining the element of surprise. The goat dodges death, but is forced onto a ledge. It's a death trap. But the mountain lion's a novice. She misses her chance. The goat seizes his. He attacks, but can't escape the big cat's claws. Rough paths on his hooves give him the grip of a climbing shoe, allowing him to change tactics. He gets behind the lion's defenses. The hunter becomes the hunted. Backed into a corner. Her rear is protected, but she's trapped. On surer ground, the goat goes all out for victory. It's a slugfest. The goat's horns are hitting home. The mountain lion lashes back at lightning speed. Cats can perform rapid and powerful moves. Up to 70% of their muscle mass is made of fast twitch fibers. In humans, it's around 40%. Fast twitch fibers contract quickly and release energy rapidly, allowing explosive action. But the goat has a defensive shield of skin nearly 1 inch thick. The cat's claws won't cut through. It's a stalemate on a knife edge. The mountain goat stands his ground. The lion slinks away. The goat is king of the mountain. The young lion isn't ready for the big time. She needs to focus her hunts on food that doesn't fight back.